Right, health workers in Pumwani Maternity Hospital are holding demonstrations this morning of unpaid salaries. 70 workers on contract have not been paid since November. They are citing frustration and intimidation by hospital management. Elfas Legat is joining us with the details. Elfas, good morning. It's not the first time that you're seeing the hospital making headlines for the past few days. This time round, how bad is the situation?
Well, good morning, Sam. The situation is at this moment is that a couple of health workers now have decided to demonstrate over unpaid salaries that is now going to 4 months. They're obviously telling us this is affecting their mode of operation, coming to work, having to sustain their families. And of course, they feel that they've been cheated by management, again, being told stories time and again. And when they raise issues regarding their pay, they're telling us that they get intimidation from management here at Pumwani Maternity Hospital. I just want to engage one of them real quick, Sam, to give us perspective as to just how this whole standoff between the management over the unpaid salaries has impacted them. Peter, I just talked to you a minute ago and you told me that it's been a hassle for you to really get the management to hear you. What are they saying to you?
We've tried to talk to the management quite some time. They've not been able to pay us since November. We've held some series of meetings with them, and what they're telling us, it's we wait after a week. Every time we hold a meeting, they say we wait after a week. Now, since November, it's 4 months past, and they've not been able to pay us. Yeah.
We understand that it's nurses, again, as lab technicians, and you guys are on contract. What was the nature of the arrangement and the understanding that you had with the management regarding how you'll be paid?
Okay, initially when we were engaged here, the hospital I was the one who to pay us our contract, but eventually after November they said that the NHIF have not been able to reimburse their money on time. Therefore they pushed that to the county. So from November we were supposed to be paid by the county. We have been receiving letters from the county, but some of the letters are so suspicious because they have no stamps from the county. And that's why we've held a demo today to go and verify whether the information we've been getting from the hospital is true. Whether it's true, it's from City Hall, or it's just they've cooked the information from the office.
So your next course of action is going to City Hall, but then who are you seeking audience there with? That would be my last question.
Most of the letters we've been receiving here they are from our Chief Health Officer from City Hall. And he's the one who we are planning to go and see, so that we can verify whether the letters we've been receiving here is it from him and the promises we've been getting will be paid after every 2 weeks, whether he's the one who has been saying, or they have just been cooking information and trying to give us so that we can just try to push with job.
Thank you so much, Peter. Of course, Sam. One of the placards indicating that they've not been paid for 4 months. They'll be heading to City Hall to just see if the issues can be addressed. And just a quick pointer, Sam, is that on peak days, Pumwani Maternity Hospital is able to attend to about 50 expectant women. Of course, now 70 of them going on the streets to demonstrate over unpaid salaries is definitely going to impact on service delivery in this particular facility, which has been on headlines severally in the past days. Of course, we are here to follow that update, Sam, and provide you with more details when we have them. Over to you, Sam.